In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a page builder, especially the Elementor page builder. Elementor is crisp, clean, and simple to use, and is one of the best page builders for beginners. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to set up some of the most important WordPress settings so that you can get started with WordPress properly. So stick around. So I'm going to show you how to install page builder. So once you are in your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, then new, plugin, add new, then type in Elementor. To pop up, install and activate. I've already activated Elementor, so for you have to install. Once you've done that, for example, you can go to home, you can visit the website and click on edit with Elementor, will be shown here, so you can just click that one. If you want to edit the footer, you can click on edit the footer, but if you want to edit like for example this home page here, edit whatever is on this home page, just click on edit with Elementor. So you have this menu here which you're going to use to edit. So if you want to add a heading, you just click on this, add a heading somewhere, and then type whatever you want to type. You can type it from here or from there, then do whatever you want to do to it. From this content tab, you can type whatever you want. If you want this thing to be attached to something, you can just put the URL here, just and press update, and whenever person clicks on this to go to whatever URL you have put here, then you can change how this looks. You can change the color of this. If you want it to be blue, you can blue, type of blue you want, and put. Topography, you can change the topography. So the font can be changed. You want the thing to look like that. Size, weight. You want uppercase or default. Style, normal, decoration, underline, line through, if you want line through, default. If you want to change that, you can change. Letter spacing. So many things you can do there. Also here you can change this depending on what you want. You can do emotions like that, you can change that, like fade down, dim light, like that. You can do a lot of things with Elementor page builder. You can check out the background, change whatever you want, the hover, change the settings, color. When someone hovers on this, how does it look? You want it to be pink. like that, whatever you want. So when someone, when they hover on this, it's going to change pink, but when it is the cursor is not there, it's going to be blue. Okay, positioning, you can change whatever you want, wherever you want there. So many options, you can just play with them and see what you prefer. So you can put headlines, you can put inner sections like this. Into this, you can add, clicking here to delete section, you can add a section, you can edit the section like this section here, whatever you want, like the background pictures. You can edit by clicking there and removing the background, replacing it, changing the position, color, layout, structure, how you want this thing to look. So many things you can do with Elementor. So you can click on this, come back to here. If you want an image, get the image from here. Text editor, so you can put some text like this. You can just drag it, put it there. If you want a video, if you want a button like this button here, use this, just like this and put it there. If you want a divider, okay, if you want a divider, something to divide, use that. Spacing, Google Maps, so many. But if you have paid for Elementor Pro, all these functions will be unlocked. Like gallery, posts, right now this is for Elementor Pro. If you go further down, there's more settings which are not blocked, like the image box, star rating. If you want to put some star ratings there, for example, there, you can put the star ratings and edit them according to this. You can change the color, whatever you wish to do. Image, carousel, basic gallery, sidebar, this copyright, like for example, you go down, copyright, you can put it there, page title, site tagline, search engine, so many things you can use. If you're looking for something, you can just type it here, like image. You get so many things related to image, future image, product image, and press it there. That's how you use Elementor to design your website. So you can go back once you're done, you press update and view page. Once you're done with that, you can go and edit your footer. Footer is the bottom part of your page. So this is the bottom part of the page. You can edit whatever you want to be there. Like that. For private policy, for the page, you put it there. Terms and conditions, blog, your location to the blog. If you want to put whatever you want to put, your logo, important pages here, important information on this side. So that's how you use Elementor to edit your website. Click the link below to get access to my free ebook on how to start a blog. You're also welcome to visit my website, this one, and get the latest updates on tips. That's how you use Elementor. Anytime you want, you can edit whatever you want using Elementor by clicking here. You are also welcome to visit my website in the link below if you're interested in getting the latest tips on growing your online business. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and to watch the next video. So see you there.